What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Like I said, it's a 22 Grand Wagoneer in this video, but it will be the same on a couple different years. So the first thing is we'll need the vehicle either on or running. It gives you two different options of how you want your dash set up, kind of everything laid out. There's this view. Then if you press this button right here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, it'll give you this view as well. I'm going to do it from this view just because this is how I typically have it. So from here, I'm only going to be using these buttons right here. Depending on what screen you're starting from, you'll need to scroll up or down and keep scrolling until you get to the number 2 screen that says Vehicle Info. Once you're on this screen, scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get to this screen, which shows us the oil life percentage. I've already reset this one, as you can see. But once you're on this screen, to reset it, what we're going to do is press and hold down this OK button. So press and hold that down, and then it'll reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.